Hey, what is up, YouTube? Me and my mom are coming down the mountain, and as you can, well, I'm not sure if my camera can pick it up, but it's a blizzard up here. There's a blizzard heading right for us, and we are in Boone, North Carolina. We are just leaving Appalachian State University. Man, it's like it's never gonna stop. It just keeps coming. I'm not sure, but someone has their hazard lights on up ahead, or had them on. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous up here. Yep. It's like only 5 o'clock and it's not even gotten this dark yet. Yep, that's how dangerous it's getting. Everything is like getting covered in snow now, even the roads.